Back to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to create 3 DBT account, and we have already worked on DBT core. I have already explained how you can install DBT core and integrate it with VS Code, and already we have also created some of the DBT pipeline in the DBT core. You can watch all these videos to understand the DBT core, but in real time or in the industries we are using DBT cloud because it is very good practice to use the DBT cloud. So I will going to explain what is DBT cloud is in details. First of all, we have to create the DBT tool, DBT cloud. So what you have to do, you have to go to the Google and just type here DBT sign up page. So once you type the sign up page, you will land in this page. Here you can just click on start for free today. Okay, whatever it was, you can click there and then give the email ID. I think I created before with this email ID and it will work for only for 14 days. Okay, so let me try which email ID I have created. So Sumit Kumar company, I will, if you are a student, you don't working anywhere and you don't want to reveal your company name, just give this. And password, I will choose my own. Okay, anyway after 14 days it will expire. Okay, our account, this for learning purpose, so learn it. And what you can do anyway, anything, agree. And obviously I'm not a robot. Create my account. Here you can see that you don't need any credit card or anything, just simple login page. Okay, so okay, so what will happen here is you will get one email. Okay, so I already have my email here, so let's see. I logged into my email here. Let's see, yes, I got this one. Okay, so click here and you have to verify your email address. Once you verify your email address, you will log in here. So you can see it's how simple it is to log into your DBT cloud. Okay, and what the DBT cloud is, you can just ask cloud. So DBT cloud is a hosted and managed platform version of DBT. Okay, means it is managed by some other person. If you are using DBT core, you have to manage everything. So if anything update happens or any new package is get installed, you have to keep downloading and everything. One admin will be there, so managing is one great task. You have to host somewhere, so you can't use in your personal laptop everywhere. Even though you can use in personal laptop, but and cloud and connect that with your GitHub, that also work. Okay, but for better and bigger organization, it won't suitable. And because we have to run concurrency, if you want to run more than one job or together, so you have to host in the different cloud, different system. So that's what you have to manage your DBT course. That is the one reason. That is one headache for the developer. You need and company as well to go with the DBT core. That's the reason DBT clouds comes into picture. And here uh, the managed version of that means managing things or hosting things, where you're hosting and how many machines is required, everything's taken away from uh, your job. Okay, so you don't have to worry about managing things. So what is DBT cloud is, it is hosted or managed platform version of DBT only. Okay, and this is this is created by DBT lab. DBT itself is open source tool. Okay, you don't have to pay anything, but DBT cloud is giving you some extra feature as well. So DBT cloud wrap up the DBT core tool. Okay, and in a managed service with additional features it will provide. So what additional feature it will provide? It will provide the web-based IDE, job scheduling, CID, CDP integration, auto generated document. You can generate the documentation, you can do semantic layer also, you can provide semantic layers. I will explain in the detail, and I will tell you what is the semantic layer, how you can create the semantic view, in the Snowflake or and things. So in one line, like semantic view gives you the business purpose of your data, business meaning of your data. Okay, I don't want to go in deep. So and apart from that, it will give you access control and governance, native integration of Databricks, Snowflake, Redshift, all type of data warehouse it provide. Okay, to provide all those things it will charge. So how much it will charge, that I don't we don't have to worry as a learner. But anyway, the company has to worry about that, and company will pay for that. So if in the beginning they will start with $100 per month for enterprise version. So you can see what and all things is there. So we are using right now developer version, right? In developer we will be using web-based ID, MFA, job scheduling, and many more. Whatever the means 20 to 50%, more than 50-60% we will anyway will going to learn in this. And in my company we are using enterprise plus. Okay, I think we are using enterprise version of that, and we will having all those things like copilot and canvas, inside, dbt mesh. Okay, all these things semantic layer advanced. So semantic layer, what I was explaining before, it was not part of the developer or free version. So anyway, once learn using the free, and then you switch to enterprise version, pay a little bit and then learn. Otherwise, if you join some company, there you will get the chance to work on the enterprise version, and it is very easy to learn it. So let me just switch to, okay, I have already logged in, right? So welcome to dbt. I'm currently using dbt core. Currently use whatever you want. I'm new to dbt. Just write it and just do next. Nothing it is. Okay. uh, Interesting feature, learning dbt complete. Okay, so here you have to create your project. So by default it will giving the name, project name analytics. But if you want to give your some name, some enterprise name, let's suppose your team you are working for marketing data, so you can give your marketing analytics. Okay, marketing database, something like that. So I will just keep by default, like I will just keep ERP. Okay, enterprise resource planning, or just retail. Okay, or let it analytics only, because I'm not don't want to keep anything specific, because for the learning purpose we'll keep the analytics, and then continue. Okay, here you can select the connections. So add the new connections. In the connection you can connect to your Snowflake or BigQuery, Databricks. Okay, whatever you want you can connect and use it. It is just uh, warehouse whatever you are using. So I will connect with the Snowflake as well, and database as well. I will tell you how to connect. But in this video, to keep it the video shorts, uh, I already explained you how you can log in it, and you are only having 30 days to practice. So don't forget to subscribe and come back here to learn all the features. So what all things there: account, project, integration. I will explain you how you can integrate with GitHub and Slack or Team. Okay, so many other integration is there. Billing part is there. So right now we are using which plan? So we are using developer plan. If you want to upgrade, you can upgrade it from here. Okay, so you are having dashboard, studio. Usually we have to work on studio only, because in the studio it will give you the ID, web ID kinds of things. You have to configure this one. And here in this studio part, uh, you have to make the connection first, because in the studio only we will be getting all the model, uh, seeds, analyze folder, all the things in the how you have uh, got it like this here, dbt core, all the things you will get it here. And then uh, anyway I will explain you after next video. So see, this is my student written there. Account setting, company name actually, and account setting. If you have multiple account, you can switch the account. This is my profile. In the, if you go to your profile, you can create the password, and there is a API token also personal token you can create, it's required. And if you want to create one job, run the job, you can, it will be here to run the job. Okay, in the catalog you can see how many models, and in the brief things like how many models are there in your project, everything you can see from the catalog. You can even run the CLI part as well. Okay, and get resources also there, document view, dvd doc, means all the learning things you can do it. You can ask the assistant. Okay, so that's all for this video. So thank you.